Do not listen to this recording while doing activities that require your full attention. Use this recording only when you are sitting or lying in a safe, comfortable place where you do not have to pay close attention to your surroundings. Hello, I'm John Barboza. Thanks for tuning in. In these challenging times with the pandemic and social isolation, it's not unusual to feel nervous or afraid, sad, lonely, and even uncertain about future endeavors. Everyone handles and copes with stress differently. Some people are actually very busy accomplishing many things now, even more so than before, because they are taking full advantage of the time alone. And others may be experiencing quite the opposite, where they are experiencing restless sleep or actually sleeping more frequently, feeling unmotivated to do anything like keeping up with personal hygiene, house cleaning, self-care, such as exercising or even sitting down to enjoy a cup of coffee. If you are experiencing any of what I've just mentioned and would like to get back into the swing of things and feel motivated to sleep or eat better, increase energy to clean the house, or exercise instead of procrastinating and putting things off, today I'm going to help you to change your frame of mind so that you can accomplish the things you wish to do. Whether it's getting a good night's sleep, waking up energized and refreshed, bathing, dressing, eating healthier, and even enjoying that cup of coffee. So take a moment to get comfortable. And when you're ready, I want you to take 3 slow, deep breaths. And as you exhale, on your 3rd breath, close your eyelids and continue listening to my voice. And when your eyelids are closed, I want you to think about the things you would like to accomplish. It could be something as simple as going to bed at a decent time or waking up at a specific time. So now I want you to imagine that you are lying in bed, about to fall asleep. And as you are lying there, think about what you want the following day to be like. What time do you want to awaken, shower, dress, eat, or whatever it is you desire to do? And now that you've given it some thought, plan your day exactly the way you want it to be like. And now that you have a concrete plan, imagine closing your eyelids and getting ready to fall asleep. As you repeatedly go over the up and coming day while listening to my voice. Let yourself relax as you repeatedly go over your plans for the day while listening to my voice. And relax. Relax. Relax with each and every breath that you take and each and every word that I say. Relax. 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 and sleep. Relax and sleep. Sleep. Sleeping. Relaxing and sleeping so comfortably and so deeply. So peaceful because you have a plan, a pleasant plan that you've committed to, and you are so looking forward to starting your day on a positive note. Now imagine that you are dreaming about your day. Imagine you are waking, feeling so refreshed and motivated to start your day. And imagine smelling that freshly brewed coffee. And imagine waking and stretching and yawning as you place both feet on the floor. Picture, visualize, imagine, and think about how easily and effortlessly you are able to complete your task and feeling the accomplishment that follows. Waking from a good night's sleep, energized, refreshed, bathing, dressing, eating healthy, and accomplishing your goals. Now imagine that you are actually starting your day, feeling refreshed, renewed, and motivated as you stretch and yawn and place both of your feet on the floor, ready to tackle each task with tenacity and zest. I want you to picture, visualize, imagine feeling refreshed, renewed, and motivated. After waking from a good night's sleep, feeling energized, refreshed, bathing, dressing, eating a healthy meal, accomplishing your goals, one goal at a time, easily and effortlessly, feeling positive and motivated. Now imagine that you have had a complete day full of positivity and motivation, full of stamina and accomplishment. And as the day winds down, imagine getting ready to sleep, a peaceful, enjoyable, restful sleep. As you lie down and unwind, going over the accomplishments of the day and looking forward to another wonderful night of sleep, another exciting and productive day. As you close your eyelids, breathe and relax. Relax. Relax as you drift off to sleep. Sleep. Deep, wonderful, peaceful, rejuvenating sleep. So quiet, so relaxing, so so deeply asleep. Sleep. Deeper and deeper and more and more. Relax as your subconscious mind prepares you for the productive, positive, task-filled day ahead that will begin with you waking, stretching, and yawning as you place both feet on the floor with a clear, focused awareness of each task you will joyfully accomplish easily and effortlessly. Whether it's bathing, dressing, eating a healthy meal, going for a walk, calling a loved one, reading a book, or just staying positive and motivated. So imagine now you are about to awaken feeling good, feeling wonderful, positive, motivated, relaxed, and ready to do something that will fill you with joy, happiness, and accomplishment. As I begin to count from 1 to 3, picture, visualize, imagine, think of something or productive that you can do, something that will leave you feeling as if you had a wonderful, fulfilling, productive day. 1, take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with energy and oxygen. As you picture, visualize, imagine, or think of something that you can and will accomplish today. 2, slowly beginning to come back into the room, stretching, yawning, beginning to open your eyelids as you picture, visualize, imagine, or think of something that you can and will accomplish today. And 3, take a nice deep breath, opening your eyelids now, fully aware, fully alert, feeling good, feeling wonderful, feeling so relaxed, positive, and ready to begin a productive and satisfying day. Welcome back. I'm John Barboza. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you soon.